镜头换来看国外，伫咧美国明尼苏达州有移民甲海关执法局 ICE 的探员是开枪断死一个赛车的查某人，讲伊赛车跳江要来弄。副总统反诉着牵制做派的人士甲媒体伫咧煽动暴力，不过州长就批评联邦高层直接就认定这个查某人是跳江要赛车甲人弄的。有真侪民众嘛上街头伫咧抗议 ICE 执法行为。
示威的群众直直咧吵，现场催泪甲刺鼻真高，有人扫甲无法度发出声音。这个男性跪伫咧涂骹，边仔有人赶紧提水来甲帮助。
With ICE being here and arresting folks in the immigrant community.
伫明尼阿波利斯联邦大楼，示威的群众举标语，讲恁袂当甲阮全刣死。ICE go home! 美国检察官办公室已经甲明尼苏达刑事局的参与调查甲动落来，即马会完全交予联邦调查局来主导。BCA 无通摕到个案的资料、现场证据，也是调查记录。国土安全部长洛姆强调，州政府并无管辖权。副总统 Vance 是批评左派甲媒体煽动暴力。
You have a woman who aimed her car at a law enforcement officer and pressed on the accelerator. Nobody debates that. I can believe that her death is a tragedy, while also recognizing that it's a tragedy of her own making and a tragedy of the far left who has marshaled an entire movement.
州长华兹呼吁非党派调查，批评联邦高层有失立场。
Feels now that Minnesota has been taken out of the investigation, it feels very, very difficult that we will get a fair outcome. From the president to the vice president to Kristi Noem have stood and told you things that are verifiably false, verifiably inaccurate. They have determined the character of a 37-year-old mom that they didn't even know.
移民甲海关执法局探员车伫咧罗林枪杀37岁女性古德，国土安全部坚持这是自卫开枪。古德牵涉本土恐怖主义，除了明尼苏达州抗议情绪愈来愈严重，包括纽约、西雅图等等在内真侪城市，嘛有抗议行动甲悼念酒暝。公司新闻黄文玲编译。